Myntri Rangbah Jylla Conrad K Sangma hakasngi Nyngkong ula Leit ban Aiti Jaka bynta bantei National Law University Mawpdang Mawkhanu badru bynta Meghalaya State Judicial Academy. Katei Jaka Myntri Rangbah ula Aiti Chief Justice Meghalaya High Court Vice Chancellor National Law University Sanjib Banerjee ryngkat jingdonlang Myntri Tnad Ain Kong Ampareen Lyngdoh Myntri Tnad Pule Rakkam Sangma Judge High Court Vice Chancellor National Law University Prof Indrahit Dube nalor kiwei. Haba jingkren Myntri Rangbah Jylla ula pynpaw Sorkar Jylla shai kdar halor Jaka bynta Jylla ongba kumbalong kiwei kiri balaroi lapa Jylla ru jam shakmat ban kentiu yakayo kakot.
Eminent dignitaries present, including the Honourable Minister in Charge, Law Government of Meghalaya, Dr. Mrs. Meghalaya Ampareen Lyngdoh, Honourable Mr. Justice Hamarsan S. Thank you, Judge High Court Meghalaya, Honourable Mr. Justice Wanlura Dingdoh, Judge High Court Meghalaya, Honourable Mr. Justice Bishwati Bhattacharjee, Additional Judge High Court Meghalaya, and Professor Indrahit Dube, Vice Chancellor.
Less than 10 months back, around the beginning of this year, we had just formed a search committee. I had assumed the extraordinary powers that the Act provided for its Chancellor to set up the National Law University, and we had just issued an advertisement hoping we'd get some good talent for the Vice Chancellor's post. We had around 49 applications. We are grateful to Professor Chakraborty of NUJS, who helped us to evaluate with cogent parameters, and we whittled down the number of applications to about 13, and we called probably 9 or 10 for interviews conducted extensively over 2 days. This was early in January, when we still didn't know where the campus would be, where the students would come from, or whether we'd be able to set it up in course of the year at all.
An institution that not only elevated our nation but also command respect on a global stage. Thank you for your attention, and let us look forward to a journey replete with challenges, opportunities, and uncharted territories of the knowledge.
That we are all working towards building and ensuring that this institute would at the end contribute immensely to the state of Meghalaya and to the country as a whole. We are clear in our agenda for the state. For a very long time, the state of Meghalaya, and in fact many other economies in the country and across the world, have been what we all call an extractive form of economy, which basically means we extract our resources and we build on selling these resources, and that's how the economy or the GDP grows. And hence we have seen many nations, especially the smaller nations, which have managed to move from what we call an extractive economy into something which we call a regenerative economy. And a regenerative economy is an economy that develops a lot and bases a lot on the human capital that you have. And hence, if Meghalaya in the years to come and decades to come, this is not going to happen in a single day or a year, but in the course, in the future, if a state like ours has to move forward and come into an area where we start looking at becoming more of a regenerative economy, it is only through development of human capital can we achieve it. And hence, though we have a large number of challenges that the state faces, we have to start somewhere. And the start may not always be easy, and sometimes we may fail. Sometimes things might not go as planned. But as we have always believed, that it is our duty to put in that effort, provide that vision, and move towards it and take a step and give it our best. And therefore, you must have seen that in the last many years, in spite of the numerous amount of challenges, our policy has moved towards ensuring that we started investing in this human capital that we believe is the future for our state and for our country.